Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings. Make sure you're unlocked and have admin access, then back up any call logs if you want a safety copy. Once done, open Settings and use the search box to find default apps or apps and notifications. This saves scrolling. Also verify the new phone call app is installed from the official store so it appears in the list. These steps move you straight into changing the default without wasted time. You now select and assign the new app as the default. Tap Default Apps then Phone app to reveal available dialers. Once you see the target app, tap it and accept any prompts. Make sure to grant necessary permissions, contacts, microphone, phone state, and notifications so calling features work correctly. If the system asks to switch, confirm. If not, check the new app settings page and tap Set as Default. This ensures incoming and outgoing calls route through the app you chose. You finish by verifying the change and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Place an outgoing test call and have someone call you back. Try speaker and headset to confirm audio routing. If the new app misbehaves, clear its cache, reinstall it, and reboot the device. These steps often resolve registration or permission glitches. Make sure permissions remain enabled, and if another app still handles calls, return to default apps and explicitly reset the phone app selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.